Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to fix sending message field on your phone. When you try to send SMS or text message from your Android device, you will see such kind of error. Basically your service provider having a unique SMSC code. That code delivers your messages. Sometimes your settings disturbed, you will see error sending text failed. To sort out this issue, you have to open Google and then here you have to type your service provider or carrier name, so you have to write down your carrier name and SMSC number. You will have to click on search and here you will find your carrier SMSC number. You have to copy this number, click on these three dots, click on settings, and then you have to click on more settings, and then here you will see text messages. You have to click on it and here you will find message center number. You have to click on it. You have to remove this one and you have to paste the SMSC number and then you have to click on set. So once you will add your new SMSC number, then you have to go back and you have to try to send message again. You just have to add your carrier correct SMSC number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.